Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is a taco crescent bake and it's super delicious. So you're going to take a 9x13 pan, spray it with cooking spray, and then I have one package of crescent rolls that you're going to lay at the bottom. Try to make it as even as possible. I like to build it up a little bit on the sides just so when you're cutting it you have a little bit of like a crust on the side. So just take a moment to press it, cover up the seams, and then bake that for 6 to 8 minutes. And then the recipe says use diced tomatoes, but my family hates those, so I use taco sauce. So you can use whichever one you want. I like the taco sauce and the flavoring of that. So next, while the crescent rolls are baking, I'm going to brown my ground beef so there's no more pink in it. And then of course you're going to drain the grease. And then I add my taco seasoning. So I have 1 packet of taco seasoning. I'm not going to add any water or anything to that because I'm going to be adding the taco sauce. Kind of makes up for it. So I mix that just for a moment to try to coat the meat first. And then I eyeball how much taco sauce. I would say I probably put about a half a cup in there if I had to guess. Just want to get it so everything's wet but not like soupy by any means, because you want it to kind of hold up in there. And then 8 ounces of sour cream. I started out with like half of it at first because I thought maybe that would be too much, but I ended up using the whole 8 ounces. Just keep mixing it till it's all evenly distributed. And of course you can add in any other fillers that you want. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to bring my baked crescent rolls over. And I'm going to add the entire mixture on top and try to lay it as even as possible. As you can tell, it's a pretty thick mixture. And once I have that layered out evenly, I added some cheddar cheese on top. The original recipe says Colby Jack, and I have used that in the past, but I don't know. I just forgot about it today. It really doesn't matter. Cheese is all good to me. Every kind of it. So whatever your preference is, you can go ahead and lightly put some cheese on there. And then you can take some nacho cheese Doritos and crush them up to put them on top. So I think I put it in the oven to let the cheese melt a little bit, just a few minutes, and then I put the Doritos on top and then returned it to the oven for about another 5 minutes. And then when it's done, this is what it looks like. So delicious. I just put it in a bowl, and I'll normally put my own tomatoes or onions or green onions, anything you want on top that you would normally eat with a taco. So super good, really easy to make, and the family loves it, so that's always good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.